motherboard is the main circuit board of a computer. It connects and allows communication between all the important parts like the CPU, RAM, storage, and other components, so the computer can work properly. Northbridge chipset. The Northbridge chipset is a part of the motherboard that helps the CPU communicate with high-speed components. It connects the processor to important parts like RAM memory and sometimes the graphics card. Because these parts need to work very fast, the Northbridge handles data that must move quickly. In modern computers, the Northbridge is usually built directly into the CPU, so you may not see it as a separate chip anymore. ATX power connector. The ATX power connector is the main power connection on the motherboard. It connects the motherboard to the power supply unit (PSU). This connector provides electricity to the motherboard and helps power all connected components like the CPU, RAM, and expansion cards. Most modern motherboards use a 24-pin ATX power connector. Back panel connector. The back panel connectors are the ports located at the back of the computer case. These connectors allows you to plug in external devices. Common back panel connectors include USB ports, HDMI or VGA ports, Ethernet, LAN, audio jacks, keyboard, and mouse ports. They make it easy to connect peripherals to your computer. BIOS, Basic Input-Output System. The BIOS is a small program stored on a chip on the motherboard. It is the first software that runs when you turn the computer. BIOS checks if hardware is working properly and then loads the operating system. It also allows users to change system settings like boot order, time, and hardware configuration. DDR/DIMM memory slots. DDR/DIMM memory slots are the places where RAM, random access memory, sticks are installed on the motherboard. DDR stands for double data rate and DIMM stands for dual inline memory module. RAM temporarily stores data that the CPU needs while the computer is running. More RAM usually means better performance, especially when multitasking. Southbridge chipset. The Southbridge chipset handles communication between the CPU and its slower components. This includes devices like hard drivers, USB ports, audio network connection, and expansion slots. Unlike the Northbridge, the Southbridge deals with lower speed data. In modern systems, many Southbridge functions are also integrated into the CPU or a single chipset. CPU, Central Processing Unit. The CPU is the brain of the computer. It performs calculation, makes decisions, and processes instructions from software and hardware. Everything you do on a computer, opening programs, typing, browsing the internet, is handled by the CPU. Faster CPUs can process more data in less time. PCI slots. PCI slots, peripheral component interconnect, are expansion slots on the motherboard. They allow you to add extra hardware to your computer. Common cards inserted into PCI or PCIe slots include graphics cards, sound cards, network cards, and Wi-Fi cards. These slots help upgrade or expand the system capabilities. CMOS, Complementary Metal Oxide Semiconductor. The CMOS is a small memory chip that stores important system settings like data, time, and BIOS configuration. It is powered by a small CMOS battery even when the computer is turned off. If the battery dies, the system may lose its saved settings. UEFI United Extensible Firmware Interface. UEFI is a modern replacement for BIOS. It performs the same basic task but is faster, more secure, and easier to use. UEFI supports mouse control, graphical menus, large hard drivers, and better security features like secure boot. Most modern computers use UEFI instead of traditional BIOS.